Okay, garlic lovers. So I'm Jennifer from A Live Little, and we're back today talking about garlic because April is National Garlic Month. We've done a couple kind of dips or spreads, and we're going to finish our dip and spread series with a Greek Tzatziki, which isn't all garlic, but after you make the tzatziki, which is super easy to make with garlic, and you let it sit for a couple hours or come back the next day, it's amazing how the garlic flavor just permeates through the yogurt. And I love the tangy, fresh, crisp flavor of the yogurt with the cucumber that's inside. So for those of you who aren't familiar with tzatziki sauce, it's just a classic French Greek dip that is served alongside with so many things, from spanakopita to moussaka to clearly grape leaves and stuffed squash blossoms. I challenge anybody to tell me a savory food that perhaps tzatziki doesn't go with. It's delicious with eggs. It's delicious with green beans, a side with asparagus. So as the summer season progresses and the weather will get warmer, I say if you're looking for a little something else on your plate with a meal, make a little tzatziki. So we're going to dive right in. It's really quick and easy to make. A couple years ago I was in Greece and I was fortunate to be able to work with a Greek chef for a while, and he made some tzatziki. Really easy to make. But what he did do, which many recipes don't call for, is to shred your cucumber, okay, instead of just cutting it. And what I found is that's so important. So you take your cucumber, seed it, shred it, okay, and then most importantly, you squeeze out all of that water, okay, and squeezing out all the water clearly makes your tzatziki not watery. So we're going to just squeeze out water, and I'm going to do about a cup of cucumber. And know that our recipe is on our website and will be included with this video. There'll be a link so you can find that. So you don't have. And the great thing with tzatziki is you don't have to be too concerned with proportion. If you like a little more cucumber or a little less, you can add what you want. But what happens with the shredding is, for those of you who love cucumber, and I love cucumber, I believe it imparts more of a cucumbery flavor into the tzatziki, especially if you can plan it and make it 24 hours ahead of time. Even better. Okay, so we've got our cucumber, and to a cup of cucumber, you're going to add about 2 cups of Greek yogurt, thereabouts. Okay. And if you want to be really decadent, you use the full fat Greek yogurt, which there's nothing like it. This one is a 2%, but you know what? It is delicious even with the non-fat. So all we do is mix it all up, and then you can add mint, dill, or a combination of both, and I love both, so I'm going to add both. And depending again on how much you like, the recipe on our site calls for a tablespoon of both, but you can certainly add as much as you want. Garlic, you really don't need a lot of garlic because it really does permeate all through the yogurt, and you'll really get the garlic flavor, especially the next day. And then obviously some Greek olive oil and a little red wine vinegar. The vinegar just adds a little bit of punch, okay? And then we've got a little Himalayan salt, and then a little bit of cracked pepper, of course, to finish it off. And then we're just going to mix it all. That smells so good. You can just get this refreshing flavor that's coming right from the bowl. Really lovely. It's good just as a dip with some really delicious Lebanese Syrian bread. Some more cut cucumbers, celery. Really good. And that's it, and it's really pretty. And again, when you have the shredded cucumber, you get a bite of cucumber in every mouthful. Sometimes when you have chunks of it, you miss it. So we're just going to put it on our platter. So quick and easy. Really delicious. do a little more dill. And I got a little green onion too. I like a little green onion on top. It's really pretty. So there you go. We've got our Greek Tzatziki. All right. And try it. Like I said, try it on eggs. It's amazing. Clearly classic with lamb. Anywhere where you want just a little pick-me-up on your plate. Enjoy.